हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका पार्ट थर्ड में। आज हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 14। 11th number question is given to us. The concave mirror forms a virtual image of size twice that of the object's placed at a distance 5 cm from it. Find the focal length and position of the image. Same question, you don't need to worry. Okay, what is given? Virtual image, that means behind the mirror, means the position of image will be behind the mirror, so value of v will be positive because it is concave mirror, so f will be in negative. Okay, now we will check what the values are given to us. So here it is given virtual image is size twice of the object. Okay, so if the object size is x centimeter, image size is 2x centimeter. Now the objects placed at a distance 5 centimeter, so the value of u is 5 because it is the distance of object, so it is always negative. Now we will find the focal length and position. So we cannot use the standard mirror formula because for that two values should be known and here two values are unknown. So what we will do, we will use the magnification formula, m is equal to I upon O. So I is 2x and O is x, x cancel, so m is equal to 2. From here what you will do, you will again use the magnification formula with the distance of object and image. Okay, so m is equal to minus v upon u. What you will do here, you need to remember because it is virtual image, so for the virtual image linear magnification is positive. Why? Because virtual image is always formed behind the mirror, and when it is behind the mirror, the value of v is positive. Okay, so minus v upon the value of u is minus 5. So minus minus cancel, m is equal to 2. So v is equal to 10 centimeter. Also you can check that v is 10 centimeter because it is positive, so it is behind the mirror. Now we will use the standard mirror formula. Just put the value and get your answer. 1 by 10 plus 1 by minus 5. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Now we will find out the LCM. So 10, 10, 10, 1, 10, 5, 2. Minus 2, minus plus minus, that means 1 by 10, but because the bigger number is negative, so हम साइन लेंगे नेगेटिव. 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 10, so f is equal to minus 10 सेंटीमीटर. ये जो है आपका हो गया फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर, and negative है, that means it is for concave mirror. It is clear? So the value of v we can find out. V is equal to 10 centimeter, and what you will write? Behind the mirror. Okay, now the next is given the image formed by a convex mirror is the of size 1/3 of the size of object. How are u and v related? For that what you will do, here you can see convex mirror, m is equal to v upon u. Okay, that is always m is equal to minus v upon u. Now it is given the size of image is 1/3 of size of object. If you will take size of image as x centimeter, so the size of object is x centimeter, so the size of image is 1/3 size of object, means 1/3 of x, means x by 3 centimeter. ठीक है, यहाँ हमको सिर्फ इतना बताना है कि हाउ आर यू एंड वी रिलेटेड. सो वी नो दैट m इज इक्वल टू आई अपॉन ओ. ठीक है, सो m कहाँ से निकालोगे आप? m निकालोगे इन दो वैल्यूज़ को पुट करके. तो i की वैल्यू क्या है? x बाई 3 एंड o की वैल्यू क्या है? x. x कट गया, m इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 3. ठीक है, अब हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? v एंड u कैसा रिलेटेड है? कैसे रिलेटेड होंगे? m इज इक्वल टू माइनस वी अपॉन यू. ठीक है, m इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 3. सो 1 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस वी अपॉन यू. सो यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हो? u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3v और v इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बाई 3u. अगर आपको 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन ये आया है और या तो ये ऑप्शन दिया है या ये ऑप्शन दिया है, तो दोनों करेक्ट होंगे. और अगर दोनों दिए हैं तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी होगा, बोथ ए एंड बी. तो यू हैव टू चूज़ ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन में हमको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि आपको यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिया है, तो आप क्या यूज़ कर सकते हो, साइज़ ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट और साइज़ ऑफ इमेज के लिए मैग्नीफिकेशन फॉर्मूला। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट दिया है द इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म बाय अ कॉन्केव मिरर इज ऑफ साइज डबल द साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, हाउ आर यू एंड वी रिलेटेड। सो अगेन you will use the same concept, O is equal to x, so size of image is double size of object, so 2 into O means 2x. Okay, now m is equal to I upon O, that means 2x upon x, so m is equal to 2. M is equal to minus v upon u, so 2 is equal to minus v upon u, so v is equal to minus 2u or u is equal to minus v by 2. This both you can write. Okay, now the third one you can see, the question number last is given the magnification of mirror is -3, how are u and v related. So we know that m is equal to minus v upon u, so -3 is equal to minus v upon u, minus minus cancel, so v is equal to 3u. Only this one. In all this question what you need to remember, because the values are not given, so you cannot take v and u as positive or negative. Okay, so you will only use the magnification value. So in this question you can see we have taken m is equal to minus v upon u, but because it is, you can see the erect image, that means it is virtual. Virtual means v is behind the mirror, so you can take it as negative, and this also negative, so negative negative cancel, so it will, sorry, v as positive, so negative negative cancel, positive, but it will change your value. But because the number numerical value is not given to you, so for that you will not take it as sign. If the numerical value given, then only you will take it as sign. So here you can see that we took it with sign. So for magnification the formula is minus v upon u. Always use this formula, don't use v upon u. Okay, so that's all for today. Yes, 7th C exercise is completed, all numericals are completed, all 3 parts I already solved. You can check the other videos also. If you like my effort, please subscribe to my channel, like and write in comment section whatever your query and suggestions are. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.